This is day 3, and we are going to take a look at 3 new words from the text Chicken Sunday. The first word is misjudge, the second word is glower, and the third word is intricate. We know that the prefix mis is added to a word to change the meaning, and this prefix, mis, means wrong or wrongly. It can also mean bad or badly. So from Chicken Sunday, we know that Mr. Kadinsky, who is the shop owner, sees eggs that are splattered on the door, right? And then he forms this opinion about the children that he sees standing in front of them, Stuart, Winston, and Winnie. And Mr. Kadinsky misjudges the situation. So to misjudge means to judge wrongly or form a wrong or unfair opinion about a person or a situation. So I'm going to describe a situation and you think and discuss what you might do. Your dog races through the house and breaks your mother's favorite vase. Your mother misjudges the situation and thinks that you broke the vase. So what do you say? What do you do? Let's look at another example. What might you say or do when you find out that you misjudged your friend? So let's say that something happened between you and your friends and you misjudged your friend. What could you say or do? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself, when I find out that I misjudged my friend, I might. Great. A common response might be to apologize or to let your friend know that you misjudged them. The next word that we want to take a close look at is glower. So glower means almost the same as to stare at someone, except there's a difference here. When you glower, you're actually staring at them in a very angry way. So I know that when Mr. Kadinsky first sees the children, he glowers or stares at them angrily. So let's play a game called Would You? So what would you do in this situation? Would you glower if someone cut in front of you in the lunch line? Why? You can use this sentence frame to complete your thought. I would or I would not glower because. Go ahead. Let's take a look at another example. Would you glower if someone misjudged you and thought you had done something wrong when you hadn't? Why? Again, you can use this sentence frame to complete your thought. I think we can all agree that we'd probably glower if someone misjudged us and accused us of doing something wrong when we really hadn't done that. Let's look at the last word, intricate. Take a look at these pictures here. These are of 2 eggs. We know that in Chicken Sunday, the children were decorating the eggs to sell at Mr. Kadinsky's shop. And we see here underneath these pictures that it says a complicated design. So intricate means something that's very complicated. You can see another photograph here of decorated Easter eggs. Complicated is a synonym for intricate. We know that synonyms mean the same as and antonyms are the opposite. So again, the synonym for intricate is complicated, and an antonym for intricate might be simple. And that wraps up day 3. We'll see you tomorrow for day 4.